Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. If you want to personalize your phone and give it a fresh new look, open the Settings app. The Settings menu is where you can control most of your device features, including connections, apps, privacy, security, and display options. Once you are inside Settings, scroll down and see the Wallpaper option. On some devices, it may appear as Wallpaper and Style. Tap on it to open the wallpaper settings. Next, see the Change Wallpaper option. When you tap on it, you will see several wallpaper choices available on your device. These may include wallpapers from your gallery, default Samsung wallpapers, or downloaded images. Now choose the image you want to use as your new lock screen wallpaper. Tap on the picture and the phone will show you a preview. Make sure you select the lock screen option so the wallpaper is applied only to your lock screen. After selecting it, tap Next. At this stage, you may also be able to adjust or customize the wallpaper. For example, you can reposition the image or make small edits so it fits perfectly on your screen. Once you are happy with how it looks, tap the Done button on the top menu. Your new lock screen wallpaper will now be applied successfully. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for a more simple and useful tech guide.